Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. Our today's Superwoman are Miss Amukta from New Jersey, US, and Anup Maji from Chennai. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the both Superwoman for the show.
Hi. Thank you.
What do you do, Amukta ji? What do you do?
I'm a housewife.
Okay.
And I'm staying in New Jersey, USA.
But you don't have any kind of similarity of that US style and all. You still look like Indian, you know.
Yes. I mean, even though we are in USA, we try to maintain our culture and maintain the traditions that we have learned from our elders in India.
Oh wow, that's something very amazing. Normally people go and they just even their style of changing, you know, the language itself change. So,
Yes.
so what do you do? Actually, you work or you're a housewife?
I'm a housewife. I stay at home.
So maybe your husband is very lucky to get fantastic food from you, right, on a day-to-day basis.
Yes, I try my level best to cook well.
Does he cook for you?
Yeah, he does do that.
I think you are a lucky woman too. So you know, like
Yes, thank
most of the male do not normally cook. Okay, so,
Yes.
so I'm so happy to have you at the show. And what do you do, Anup Maji?
I'm a banker, but I cook because I have to. So,
And how old your husband? Is he a great chef?
no, I haven't had the opportunity of having it from him, but I've heard that he cooks.
Opportunity, or you do not want to take the risk?
I would like to maintain opportunity at this point of time.
So nice, so nice. So you are from Chennai, right? Where do you stay in Chennai?
We are at Kotupuram in Chennai. So I basically am from Delhi. I was born and brought up there. But now after marriage, I moved to Chennai.
So where exactly Delhi?
It's East Delhi,
East Delhi, right? Like East Delhi in the sense, what is the place called?
Dilshad Colony.
Oh, fine. I was actually, I brought up schooling, everything from Nauroji Nagar. I don't know whether you know the place or near to
Oh. Yeah, I've heard of it, yeah.
Are you from some DTS again? DTS Higher Secondary School?
No, my sister was from DTA. She did her schooling in Mandirmarg, but I did it from public school, Vivekanand School in Anand here. It was close to our place.
Me actually, I was having a very tough time. So I did my schooling from Lakshmi Bai Nagar.
Okay.
So then I started my catering college from Pusa Catering College from Pusa. Evening I used to get time to go and attend my colleges in Bhagat Singh. Night go back to Oberoi's DPS, the Delhi Public School Oberoi's, go work there. You know, so 3 years it was, you know, work.
Oh, God.
So it's a very tough time. I'm so happy to have both of you here for my show. Amukta ji, what are you going to do for us today?
Today I'm going to cook methi dal.
Dal methi.
Which is, methi dal, and which in Andhra is known as menti pappu.
Mendi Papu, okay, fine. Are you going to cook like methi dal like a Punjabi style or Delhi style, or are you going to have this Andhra touch?
It is going to have Andhra touch.
Okay, so it's basically a typical spicy Mendi Papu.
Yes, it is.
So what do you do normally have with it? Just rice? I'm sure you don't have rotis and all, dal, chapatis.
Yeah, we in generally have it with steamed rice, but you can serve it along with rotis or parathas.
Okay, you use the green chilies or red chilies?
We use Kashmiri red chili powder.
Okay.
You can use any other.
Well, how do you start? How do you start the dal? When you prepare the dal, how do you start with? You have definitely have a tur dal used or chana dal?
Yes, we use. I use tur dal, and then we finely chop the methi leaves, and then add tamarind paste to it.
Oh, okay.
And actually, tamarind paste will reduce the bitterness in the methi leaves.
Okay, fine.
So I'll use tamarind and then Kashmiri red chili powder.
Wow, I think it's going to be a treat to watch because I am a very I don't eat very spicy food. When I go to Hyderabad, it's always a problem for me to have food. Even the hotel, the normal chutneys are so spicy, you know. I can see the steam coming out of my eye. So I love to have more of rice and curd. So, but I'm sure Mendi Papu will be something very interesting. Uh,
Yes.
Anupma ji, what is your specialty for the day?
I'm going to make a carrot pachadi, which is again an Andhra dish,
Okay.
but I've learned it from my husband's grandmother. So it's like tradition being passed on to. So basically, I learned it because my husband loves her cooking. So I felt that the key to man's heart is to his stomach, you know. So I thought I'll learn the specialities of her cooking. So this is a very simple dish, but I have never had it before getting married. So that's why I thought this would be a simple and quick dish for all those office goers and to get on carrots in their life.
Sorry to interfere. Did he tell you that? Oh wow, it's the same like that.
He had to actually.
The way.
No other way.
Actually, like I think it differs from every places because here in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, maybe I think more of sadhya. They call Kerala sadhya.
Right.
Actually, basically here it is coconut.
Curd.
Yeah, green chili, jeera. They just make a paste and add up into the
Correct.
curd with
Correct.
whatever it is. So how do you make it?
Correct.
How
But
do you-
here it is like we call it togel in Tamil Nadu.
okay.
But this does not have curd. They call it as pachdi in Andhra. But this is more of coconut and urad dal and whatever you want.
Roasted urad dal or
Yeah, roasted dal
okay.
and all these asafoetida. So I did not like carrots actually. So this way carrots get into my body. So it was an easier way of doing cooking.
Oh, wow. This is actually again a combination to have with rice, right?
Right. Rice also you can have it with dosa, idli, as a chutney also.
And you can keep it for.
And you can mix it with.
You can keep.
Yeah, it surely can be preserved for almost 2-3 days in fridge. But
You
if
have
you're lucky, maybe a week also.
You have a coconut also, right? In this.
Yeah, grated coconut.
Okay, but again that is again roasted.
No, that is not roasted.
So then it becomes difficult because once you take this out and it kept outside for 1 hour, again keeping back in the fridge and coming out again.
Yeah, but 2-3 days I have tried, it works. If you refrigerate. Yeah, what you're saying is actually correct, but probably here during this time, the season is also as such that 2 to 3 days it can be preserved.
Fine. So I think we are going to have a very good combination of methi papu and carrot pachri. So let's see how we have a beautiful combination of this with the rice, of course, because I can have the methi papu and also I can have the carrot pachri. Let's see how we are going to make a wonderful Amukta ji a papu and also like how Anupma ji is going to make her toge. Thank you very much.
Hi all, winter is nearing and this is the season when we would get abundance of leafy vegetables such as spinach, sarson, methi leaves, etc. I am going to prepare a dish using methi leaves, which in English is also called as fenugreek leaves. Methi has lot of health benefits. It helps to control blood sugar, cholesterol, helps to improve immunity, digestion and many more. The dish I am going to prepare today is a very authentic Telugu dish called as methi dal or menti pappu in Telugu. Although in Andhra we serve this with steamed rice, methi dal can also be served with rotis or parathas. I hope you all like this recipe and try this at your homes. Let us see how to prepare methi dal. Ingredients to prepare methi dal are half cup tur dal, 1 bunch of methi leaves washed and finely chopped, 1 medium sized tomato cut into 8 pieces, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon tamarind paste. Methi by nature is bitter in taste. Sourness in tamarind paste will reduce the bitterness. 3 tablespoons shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use any other chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder gives vibrant color to the dish and is mildly spicy. 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 dry red chili, 1.5 teaspoons mustard seeds, coriander leaves, 5 to 6 curry leaves, and quarter teaspoon hing. There are 3 steps to prepare methi dal. First, pressure cook the tur dal, cook methi leaves, and finally season it. Now the first step to cook tur dal. I have taken tur dal, soaked it for 20 minutes, added 2 cups of water, turmeric powder. Now we'll place the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles. While the dal is getting cooked, let us cook methi leaves. In a vessel, add chopped methi leaves, tomatoes, tamarind paste, curry leaves, water, mix it well. You can see that all the ingredients are submerged. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now let us see if the methi is cooked. We can see that all the ingredients are 50% cooked. Now let us add red chili powder, salt, mix it well. Place back the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let us see if the dal is cooked. You can see that the dal is completely cooked and is ready to be added to the methi leaves. We can see it is boiling and all the ingredients are cooked. Now let us add the cooked dal. Mix it well. Now add the shredded coconut. Mix it well. And let it cook for 3 minutes. Now dal is ready. Let us switch off the gas. Let's now do the seasoning. For seasoning, I've taken small kadai. Add oil and let the oil heat. Now add dry red chilli broken into two. The color has changed. At this stage, add mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Add half teaspoon hing. Now switch off the gas. Add the seasoning to the dal. Mix it well. Dal is ready to serve. We'll take the dal into the serving bowl. Garnish it with coriander leaves. It is ready to be served with steamed rice.
So let's see how to make this carrot pachadi. The ingredients that we have here are, I have made some cut carrots, which is almost 1.5 in number, and the size is like this. And urad dal, I have taken 3 tablespoons of urad dal, 4 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut, a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, and this is kadagu or rai in Hindi, some kadipatta curry leaves, and I have some 4 green chilies cut in this size because I'm going to mix it with 4 in numbers and 2 in numbers these red chilies, which is also cut in this size because I'm again going to mix it. So these are the ingredients. So we put some oil in a kadai, reheated kadai, and then put the red chilies first. Change the color. On this color change, we will put some the urad dal, like 3 tablespoons. So we'll fry it till it becomes goldenish brown to this color, and then switch it off. We have to shift it to a mixie, and after taking this out, we'll then fry the carrots and green chilies. This can be shifted to the mixie container. Remember, you cannot mixie it once it's hot, so we'll have to wait for it to get come to room temperature and only then do it.
green chilies in little oil that I've added here. Along with it, pre-cut carrots. And again, after it gets fried a bit, we'll add some asafoetida powder now. We had already taken about a teaspoon. Now we'll switch off the gas and let it cool. We'll shift it to the mixie container. Wait for it to cool. Come to room temperature. Now I'm going to shift it and then add salt to it. Salt can be added as per your taste. I've taken about 1.5 teaspoon here. So it depends on person to person. Put some salt. I'll first mixie it dry and then put some water after the contents are mixed well. So now it has come to this consistency. I'll add some tamarind paste. Some 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste and then mix it well and again pour water. Now this is the tadka part. We'll add some oil to the pan. Once it gets heated, we'll add the rye and curry leaves. This flutter sound comes and we just switch it off and transfer it to the prepared pachadi. The pachadi is ready. This is the consistency that you can see. Now the pachadi is ready. This can be had with either steamed rice or idlis or dosas. So we generally have it with rice. You can mix the hot rice with ghee and then add this pachadi to it, and here I have mixed the rice with the pachadi. This is rava idli. I have put some ghee or oil, whatever suits you, and you can add, you can have it with the idlis as well. I hope you liked it, and I hope you will try it at home. And it is an easy and quick dish as per me.
Welcome back to the Superwoman Super Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. Yes, it was amazing to see Amukta ji sitting in US, not forgetting her tradition, still making a fantastic methi pappu. You know, so that's what India is all about, because Indians, especially South Indians, they go to the different places, they grow big, but then they do not forget their tradition. So thank you very much, Amukta ji, for a wonderful methi pappu. And Anup, a beautiful lady who's a banker. And you know, like, she talked so well today because I was so impressed, because she have all the techniques to impress her husband. So fantastic carrot pachadi from her, which is going to be something very interesting for you. So beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, ladies, thank you very much. I'm going to give you a surprise, because end of the show, after your show, I'm going to also dedicate a small dish. I'm not going to compete. I'm sure, I always feel that women are the best. So, you know, I'm not going to compete with you, but then I'm going to show you a very simple recipe after your show. Thank you very much, Amukta ji, for taking the time from New Jersey to come to my show, and also Anupma ji, and for the coming to the show. So what do you feel about the show? Have you been to this show before? Yeah, like, have you done any kind of cookery shows before?
No,
No, this was my first one.
for me also it's the first one.
Believe me, I always say, because I've met so many women, I don't think so that, especially Anupma ji, I don't feel that, I feel that you're, maybe you're already working in a TV and or you have a good competitor, so you're so natural and the way you're talking, so hats off to you. And Amukta ji,
Thank you.
same thing with you, like you're a simple woman, and I'm sure, when you pass on this message to people, your friends and colleagues, the only thing is that you have to ask them to download, this, maybe subscribe the channel, which is for Raj Hospitality channel. And once I subscribe, it will become more easy for them to get updations and more clearer to view. So that's all.
Okay.
And thank you very much for coming to the show. And see
you.
you very soon. Come back
you,
with
Mama.
better recipes. And definitely we will come. I'm sure, I'm not saying this is not good recipe. Come back with some more innovative recipe and see you soon in our show. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Welcome to the Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Pub Club. I'm sure you're seeing Amukta from New Jersey and Amuda from Chennai have done a wonderful job today. Especially Amuda's, I will say the carrot Andhra chutney was superb. And of course, Amukta's dish was also superb. So this is a show where we motivate the women to come forward and share the recipes and tell the people that yes, women are the best. So thank you Amuda ji, and thank you Amukta ji. I'm just giving you a surprise today. I'm making a simple, I will say a very special, a street food sandwich. Let's see how we make the sandwich. Of course, the ingredients are very simple. You need a very good sandwich bread. And I have some very good ingredients. I have beautiful capsicum here. I have mayonnaise. I have butter. I have paneer. I have onion. I have roasted, I will say that roasted corns. Then I have butter. Of course, I have a mint chutney made. A cheese. I have tomatoes. I have a chutney made of tomato and onion. And of course salt and bit of chaat masala. I'm using little bit of mustard and also tomato sauce. Very simple, but then making it is a bit difficult. So let's see how we make it. I have a bowl here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm taking a little bit of paneer here on the bowl. Yeah, yes. I'm taking a little bit of corn. I'm taking a little bit of onion here. And of course a bit of tomato, and now I take a little bit of the tomato onion chutney, right? And of course I'm using a little bit of mayonnaise here, and take a little bit of tomato sauce, and also take a little bit of mustard sauce, and of course little bit of chaat masala I'm adding here. In case you want to add the other spice, you can always add. So I'm making a mixture of this. I'm making the mixture ready here. And if you want to add a little bit of chilies, you can add on, but I'm making a very simple mixture ready here. So that my mixture is ready. Now what do I do is actually I take a little bit of butter here, the melted butter, and apply on my bread. And of course, I take a little bit of mayonnaise, I apply on my bread. So another bread I take here and I apply a little bit of tomato chutney here. And of course, you want a little bit of butter, you can apply a little butter also. And another, I'm taking mint chutney, completely mint chutney. So making this little bit more spicy. Mint chutney have little bit of mint, pudina, which is mint, and also a little bit of green chili and coriander leaf. So I made a very beautiful combination here. And now I do have my masalas ready. So you can see this. I made like this. So I put this mixture here. So, and then I cover this up with the mint. Then I add on little bit of, little bit of capsicum here, and take little bit of the mixture again, and add on lot of cheese. So this is very important. So I am adding a lot of cheese here to give you a very different flavor, and that's it. And now I again apply a little bit more butter on top to make this grill ready. It's going to be definitely very amazing. And this is a simple way of making these sandwiches on the street. So it all depends on how you want it. And then I take this and I have a griller ready here. So I apply a little bit more butter on the top. That's it. So I'm going to grill it. So now what happens is you can make very tasty sandwich. It is not necessary you have to follow any kind of European rules, but the way you want. You want to add paneer, you want to add cheese, you want to add tomatoes, and you can make masalas out of it. You can really come out with very unique. And this is a typical, you can have that flavor of chatpata. We call the chaat. That chatpata flavor, you get it, and you can really make a wonderful sandwich. So that's something very different and very special for Amukta and Amudaji. So I will definitely tell all other viewers to come back with your recipes and just write back to me on 9620665566 WhatsApp, or write back to me on co@urioshotels.com that you want to be part of the show, and you can be part of the show by sharing your recipes. So let's see my sandwiches. Wow, it has come out very beautiful now. I have a golden color sandwich ready here. And I'm just taking this out, and that's it. So my sandwich is beautiful and it is ready. And you can see this is absolutely juicy. Wow, it's absolutely juicy. So this is a street sandwich exclusively for Amukta and Amudaji. This is Raj signing off, CEO from Urios Hotels and the Purple Club.